Hey legends, want to boost your FPS and eliminate lag in Apex? Let's get you running smooth and crispy in under a minute. First, go to Settings and Video and set VSync to disabled. You can also lower texture streaming budget and model detail to low if you're struggling with FPS. Set adaptive resolution FPS target to 0 and disable anti-aliasing for a big boost. Next, you have to make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, and for AMD, use Adrenaline. Also, disable Windows Game Mode and set Apex to high performance in Windows settings. Next thing you could do is reduce background usage. Close background apps like Discord overlays, Chrome tabs, and anything eating up RAM or CPU. You can use the task manager to shut them down before launching Apex. Alternatively, you can also use Task Manager to determine if there is anything eating up your other resources while you're using Apex. Try these settings and drop into the Outlands with buttery smooth gameplay. See you next time!